Yo, what up, YouTube? Got a new box I'm working on. 7 cubes overall, 5.5 cubes of airspace, and right now I got everything but the top, as you can see. I just got done putting in the corner braces right here. I got an extra one so you can see what's going on. Yeah. Besides a table saw and a circular saw, all I use is everything you see right here. That's it. Carpenter square right here. You know what I'm saying? Measuring tape. Combination square, which is very critical. Wood glue, brad nailer, spray bottle of water, and a rag. And that's it.